Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we are going to discuss about Assam Ease of Doing Business Amendment Bill 2020. The Assam Assembly recently passed the Assam Ease of Doing Business Amendment Bill 2020, which makes amendments to the Assam Ease of Doing Business Act 2016, and the amendment will avail 0.25% additional borrowing from the state. Let's discuss that what are the key features of Assam Ease of Doing Business Amendment Bill 2020. So firstly, the new bill will simplify procedures and bring transparency and efficiency in the system. And under this new amendment bill, the government has committed to create an investor-friendly atmosphere in the state of Assam. Further, the government of Assam is to do away with all types of renewable certificates, permissions and licenses under the Assam Ease of Doing Business Amendment Bill. This is being done because a large number of renewable applications are pending at different levels in Assam, which causes unreasonable delay. So a computerized central random inspection system is to be implemented, and under the system allocation of inspectors will be done centrally at random. Further, the allocation is to be done by the competent authorities, and the amendment makes sure that the same inspector is not assigned to the same unit in the subsequent year. So what is Assam Ease of Doing Business Act? See, the act was enacted initially in the year 2016, which aimed to streamline the regulatory structures and processes and simplify the procedures which are related to renew license, certificate, permissions in setting up of enterprises and industries in the state of Assam. Assam Bureau of Investment Promotion was established by this act, and it oversees the overall supervision and administration of speedy processing of applications. So how does Assam Ease of Doing Business Act facilitate doing business in the state? See, after an application is received, the system will automatically forward it to the competent authority, and then the system will hand over hard copies such as applications to the concerned officer of the competent authority, and then this officer is responsible to get clearance within the stipulated time frame. Also, the system will generate a report to the Bureau about the status of applications received, pending, disposal, and the reasons for pending on monthly basis. Therefore, the Act has created a monitoring mechanism and a tracking mechanism to facilitate ease of doing business in the state.